Alrighty folks, if anybody's watching this video that's not actually subscribed to my channel, you can either press the subscribe button right now, just press it, ring the little bell, press the button, ring the bell, or you can leave, because this is a video just for me and my subscribers. I'm talking directly to the 102 of you that are currently subscribed to my channel. Guys, as of right now, my channel is sitting at 102 subscribers. That's a pretty big milestone. I started this channel about a year ago at this point, a little bit more than a year ago, and obviously I wasn't consistently uploading, but here we are, 102 subscribers. And I don't want to make like a stereotypical, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. It's such an honor to be making videos for you. Thank you so much. You guys make my life complete. Like, obviously I'm very thankful for you guys subscribing to my channel and watching my content, but making a generic video like that, it just feels so ingenuine. Like, I legitimately want to just have a talk with you guys, because this is so cool. More than 100 people have decided that my content is good enough to, you know, add it to their catalog of YouTube videos. And that's so awesome. I'm so happy that I've finally found an audience that I can connect to and that I can just consistently make videos for, and it just feels so great to have 100 people interested in my stuff and what I've got to say and what I'm up to. And you know, the number 100 in the scope of the internet, with thousands and hundreds of thousands and millions of subscribers on all the big YouTube channels, 100 can seem pretty insignificant, but I just want you guys to know that each and every single one of you matter to me, and it's been so great just getting to know you guys in the comments section. People that I've never met before, commenting on my videos, telling them that they appreciate my content, asking me questions, sharing their own stories. It's amazing, and I appreciate you all. And that's it, I'm out of notes. I should have made more notes. This is gonna be a short video. But for real, guys, I really do appreciate everything you guys do. You know, we're in some really dark times right now, and we're all sharing this burden together. But you know, through the power of the internet, here we are, all connecting to each other in our own tiny little community of 102 people. And thank you so much for choosing to be a part of this tiny little community that we're creating together. You guys are 100% solely responsible for getting the ball rolling on this YouTube channel. And as we continue to grow as a community, you guys can look back and realize and be proud of the fact that you were some of the first members to start this. And that's so exciting, you know? And I wish I could offer something more than just words to you guys right now to show how much this means to me and how much I appreciate it. But, you know, all I can do is keep making videos for you guys at this point. I am so excited for the future, guys. I can't wait to take you along for the journey with me. I'm so glad that you guys are enjoying my content. Keep the comments coming, keep the feedback coming. I want to grow and improve myself and just make better videos. And if I keep talking, I will just keep rambling for hours about how thankful I am to you guys. So seriously, it's amazing, and I love you all so much. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.